Letter S. Sound S. Hello dear children. What a lovely day. Are you all excited to learn something new? Yes, let us begin. We are going to learn the sound S. S as in sun, soup and sky, to name a few. To begin with, let's listen to a story about Sally's adventure. Story time. Sally goes to the beach. She sees the sky. She builds a castle with sand. She enjoys her day. At night, she sees stars in the sky. The stars sparkle. Sally feels cold, so she wears her socks and enjoys looking at the sky. It was a fun story. Now let's say the names of some things that begins with sound. Say the words with me. Sky, sand, stars, sparkle, socks, sun, soup, salt, sing, sailor, sandwich, soil, sail, seat, say, safe. We learned the names of many things that starts with sound S. Now it's time for some fun activities. Let's get started. Activity time. Let's have a look at the instruction of the first activity. Say the names of the pictures aloud and color them. In this activity, we need to identify the picture, say its name and then color it. We have the first picture of sun. Let's color it. We will use yellow color to color it. Good. Next, we can see sunflower here. Let's color it. Good. Now, let's have a look at the instruction of the second activity. Name the pictures and circle those that have a beginning sound in them. We can see the pictures of a rat, sandwich, socks, doll, soup, and apple. We know that sandwich, socks, and soup begin with sound. So, let us circle these pictures. It was so much fun learning about sound and identifying things by naming them. I'm sure you will be able to identify and say the names of things aloud around you that begins with sound. Rhyme time. Now let's sing a rhyme with title 6 little mice sat down to spin.
6 little mice sat down to spin. Kitty passed by and she peeped in. What are you doing, my little man? Weaving coats for gentlemen. Shall I come in and cut off your threads? No, Mr. Kitty, you'll bite off our heads. Oh no, I'll not, I'll help you spin. That may be so, but you can't come in. Six little mice sat down to spin. Kitty passed by and she peeped in. What are you doing, my little man? Weaving coats for gentlemen. Shall I come in and cut off your threads? No, Mr. Kitty, you'll bite off our heads. Oh no, I'll not, I'll help you spin. That may be so, but you can't come in. That may be so, but you can't come in. That may be so, but you can't come in.
That's all for today. I will see you soon with more sounds. Till then, take care and bye-bye.